has become one of our more popular designs. Never quite the same, but always very effective. You can run it quite vigorously like this, or you can turn the pump down for a more gentle flow, and you can also insert this little leafette, which smooths the stream and gives a gentler flow. We make our own glazes from scratch, from raw minerals, based upon tested, proven, food-safe base recipes, and within the guidelines of colorant additions, so as never to have any leaching of colorants. Of course, there's no lead in the glazes. Available at thirstycatfountains.com. 100% handmade, food-safe, one of a kind, and as pleasurable as indoor fountains as they are effective and healthful cat fountains. thirstycatfountains.com.